Our next tool is the tags tool. It will be activated when you activate tag on placement. When you draw a duct, at the same time it will tag your duct. I select ducts again. From the properties window, you can see properties of your duct, all types of ducts, oval ducts, rectangular, and round ducts. And according the type of our duct, we can select from this menu. I use these radius elbows, and it is used for 3-ways ducts, exactly like this. So there's a 3-way duct. And if I want to change this, I select this, I draw a duct, cancel, and I try to connect. Oh, you can see there is no 3-ways here. Metered elbow. There is not radius, there is metered. The angles are 19 degree. 2, 1, 2, 3. This is not radius. 3-ways or taps. We have 2 options. Duct. Other shapes, oval types. They look like this, oval shapes. Right click cancel. I increase the height for these types of ducts. I select tab and I increase the height to 8 inches. There is a oval shape duct. Our next duct is round duct. It has different types. I select tabs like this. Right click cancel. As you can see, next type is shorter radius. The difference is the radius is much lesser than before. I try to connect this. As you can see, next type is T-shape. Like this. This is 3-way duct. There's a 3D view. Nice. There's a tab here. This is not 3-way. I try to select duct again. Diameter, height, and airflow. These parameters, velocity, friction, pressure drop, velocity pressure, will be activated after you calculated your ducts and it connected to the hatch or your mechanical equipments. Everything could be fan coil or anything. The values will be changed after the calculations. Modify, I try to remove the extra duct which I drawn before. Our next tool is justification tool. By selecting this, you can adjust your elevation according to the different parts of ducts, for example from top down, or our options are horizontal justification, center, left or right, horizontal offset, okay,